What's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name's Kyle. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to load up Max and we're going to head to a fellow YouTuber's house. His name is Michael and he runs the channel RMD Creations. If you're interested in boat motors, boat repair, barn finds, this channel has it all. Check it out. Again, RMD Creations. Michael's his name and he runs the Backyard Marina. He likes tinkering on stuff and make things work that didn't, or well, vice versa, make things that did work not work. Check it out. In today's video, we're gonna take the Max and we're gonna go out to his property and we have some old burn debris we need to bury. So it's a big hole, it's been filling up for 10 years or more of stuff that the previous owner and or he had burnt or buried in it. And we're gonna take some dirt and cover it over. The main purpose for this is we're gonna test out this new Heavy Hitch Tooth Bar on the front of this tractor. I'm super excited to try it out and to see how well this thing does dig. I know beforehand this tractor could barely dig, and based upon some feedback I've seen, this tooth bar is gonna be the answer. After that, we're gonna go up into his front yard. We're gonna put the box blade to work and we're gonna rip up his entire driveway and resurface it. It's got a ton of sod on top and stuff was grown up over time, and in some sections it's got 2 inches of dirt or more from just, erosion and dirt coming down. So we're gonna rip that up, smooth it out, and see how it all goes. We're gonna capture this in one video today, so if it gets a little long-winded, I apologize, but I think it's gonna be some awesome content. It was a beautiful day, right about 80 degrees, a light breeze, and you couldn't ask for a better day to be on the tractor. So without further ado, I'm gonna shut up. We're gonna head to his place, unload this bad boy, and get to work. Stick around.
Diesel, listen to the diesel, baby.
Let her purr.
Let her purr. We're gonna do some digging. He's gonna move a lot of dirt. We're gonna put you on time lapse. Watch what it can do.
Let's get to digging.
Dig it. Life's a garden. Dig it. done doing the dirt in the back. Looks really good. And now we're getting ready to tear this driveway up. There's a lot of gravel here that's not exposed anymore. It's been about 3 years since it's been done, so he's gonna get the, what's it called, scarifiers?
The scarifiers, scarfires, ripper teeth, whatever you want to call them.
Yeah.
You're gonna dig the ground up.
Serious damage.
Damage control.
We're gonna get out of control with damage.
Out of control. Out of control and in control.
So yeah, so let's check it out. Let's see what it does. It's gonna look a lot better than it does now. And
All right, so let's go ahead and tear the gravel up here. See if we can't make a mess, and then level it back out and hopefully get some more life out of the driveway. Let's get to it. Right here.
that'll work.
Again, if you like anything that Michael and I do, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate that, or a thumbs down for that matter. I don't care. Give us your honest feedback. Again, check out his channel, R&D Creations. A lot of fun stuff on that channel. And he'll tell you, get out there and do something fun. That's his motto. Thanks again for sticking around today, guys. I appreciate it. And I'm very grateful for all of you that are following along on the channel. I really appreciate it. Thanks again for stopping in. Keep an eye out for more videos here in the future. My name's Kyle, and I'll catch you in the next one.